go online and just type in Google artists looking for work. I did this a lot back in like 2013, 2014. I did this a lot. Just type artists looking for work, and wherever you see a forum, wherever you see a post, just make sure you post your work right there in that forum. Post your portfolio and make sure you leave your email there. So if someone wants to hire you, they'll like see your email and just send you an email from like that place. I mean, sometimes you might end up getting great work, but it's not really like super great work per se. This trick was something Dave Rapola told us in the Crimson Daggers. He kept on saying it then. Like, that's the best way to like start making commissions. So if you want to start making commissions, that's the quickest way possible that you can do that. Just search up in Google artists looking for work. You'll see a bunch of different forums. You see a bunch of different forums, a bunch of different posts, and what you want to do is just go in there, take a look at what the way the formats other people are posting their work, and then you do what they're doing, but do your own differently. So maybe you might add some more images, or maybe your images are really good. You can do that. Just post up some more work and make sure you leave your email, and make sure you state that you're freelance, you're available for freelance, and then you leave your email so they'll have like a way to contact you. If not, that will just be pointless. Imagine someone just going on there and saying, whoa, this guy's art is really good, but how do I send him an email? There's no email, and he didn't even it just makes it difficult for them to like reach out. So you always want to make sure you're leaving your email down there. That's the juice. That's the real deal.